Can do it. I know how to cut straight. I was like, yeah, sure, why not? We got a couple more Trulies and then I let him go at it.
So you have to be drunk to let him cut your hair? Hi everyone, welcome back to Stream Eat Chill. My name is Sammy and this is June right here. She's feeling a little under the weather, which is why she's wearing the mask. She's also practicing her safety when it comes to COVID, so thank you so much for being so practical.
But of course.
Appreciate it. Today we have a very special episode. It's getting a little bit colder now these days. It's cuffing season, so if you have someone, that means bring them close and cuddle with them. But if you're single like me, that means that you should go ahead and give yourself a warm hug on the inside by having some comfort food. That's what they are, right? Comfort food's gonna be like, it gives you this big embrace on the inside because you're lonely and sad and it's cold outside. But for this comfort season that we have going on, we want to make a few recipes that might make you happy and comfortable inside too. So we decided that we will go ahead and make a few recipes that will be perfect for this cold season. Now today we're going to be doing a chicken pot pie. This is actually June's recipe, so I'm going to let her take it over.
Wait, I didn't plan what to say for this part. Well, to be honest, me and Andrew were really hungry at like 2 a.m. And we're like, what can we make? And I had like leftover pie crusts and frozen veggies, and we decided to go get a couple cans of like cream of mushroom and stuff and chicken, and we're like, hey, let's make some chicken pot pie.
It turned out really well?
And it turned out awesome, like super good, surprisingly good. And the cool part is you can mix up any of the cans of soup to make it like your own. So you kind of mixed up cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, added some more like chicken broth and stuff. So it actually turned out really tasty.
What ingredients do you need for this then?
So you need chicken. You need chicken, because it wouldn't be a chicken pot pie without chicken.
Well, yeah.
And you need frozen veggies. Any veggies of your choice, condensed cans of condensed, what is it called? Soup of I don't know.
Soup of can?
Condensed cans of, no, cans of condensed soup.
What? You mean like
you need cans
cream.
of condensed soup. Cream of,
yes. Cans of what?
Those Campbell soup cans thing, but
so what?
Condensed.
Which one is it? Like you said, it's one of.
I personally like mushroom and chicken together.
So 1 can of cream of mushroom and 1 can of
chicken.
And of course the pie crust, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Cool. How long does it usually take?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I think these kitties are getting a little restless. Let's start the cooking before they take over.
Let's do it.
Why are you doing this?
To create vents for the steam.
So it doesn't make the top soggy?
Mm-hmm.
Several days later.
finished this pot pie. It looks amazing. Oh my god, this is hot. It looks so good. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now because it smells amazing. And this crust is so thick with 2 C's. Just the way I like my crust. My favorite part of a pie. But, you know, as visually splendid as this is, it's all about eating it, it's about trying it. So we're going to go ahead and try this now and let you know what it tastes like. June with her secret way of eating. Oh my god.
Yo, chicken is so tender.
Yeah. The textures are on point. So the crunchy crispiness of the dough for the pie goes so well with the contrast of like the creaminess and the softness of the vegetables in this. Oh my gosh. A little hot. You know you're Korean when you don't wait for it to cool down. You just eat it right away. It's such a Korean thing. If you don't know this, Koreans like eating food when it's really, really hot and really spicy. Like, a lot of times you'll see Korean people eating that way. So, if you ever see a Korean mukbang, you'll notice that. This is really good. You did a really good job with this. Wow.
Awesome.
I did not know it was so easy to make a chicken pot pie.
Super easy.
Wow. I know we made a few adjustments here. You saw that we used a little bit of chicken broth to kind of intensify the flavor when we first cooked the chicken. And we put a little bit more of the cream of mushroom. But it's all about your taste. Whatever you like. And the good thing about this is that you can actually taste the filling before you put it into the pie itself. So this is really great. And all of this I think costs less than, I think, $15, maybe around $16 to make the actual, to buy the ingredients and make this. So it's very affordable too, and it's enough to feed a family of 4 or 2 really fat people like us.
Hi.
So there you have it. And this is so comforting. I really do feel like, ooh, like there's someone hugging my insides. Like I'm not so lonely anymore. I'll tell you how I feel after I finish, but this is really nice.
I'm already feeling so much better. It's so yummy.
Hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Hopefully you'll try it yourself. Let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoy this, please subscribe. We want more subscribers so we make more content. We love your support already. And thanks for watching with us. We'll make some more comfort food coming up in the next few weeks. But for now, enjoy this. Have a great cuffing season and bye-bye.
Bye.